The world has come a long way since Matthias Klein forged the first pair of Klein pliers in 1857. But the Klein family still puts the same care into every tool that comes off of our lines today. We show our respect for the hardworking tradespeople through the unmatched quality and craftsmanship of the products that we make. From the steel mill to the storefront, Klein Tools strives to uphold the excellence that comes with being made in the USA. Because American workers' dedication and drive make this country run.
We care about our quality. We care about our product. We care what goes out. We are in it for the long haul.
That's our tribute to the skill, grit, and drive of the American worker.
You could tell that Klein is very invested in continuing to make products in the United States. The company is always trying to find the latest and greatest in technology. Just know that we put a lot into making a tool.
Klein Tools has been manufacturing tools since 1857, right here in the USA. It's a culture that we pride ourselves on, with work, quality, and craftsmanship, a relationship to last a lifetime. Klein Tools is more than just steel, plastic, and engineering. Our award-winning values and standards have been handed down from one generation to the next. Klein Tools, for the professional tradesperson since 1857.